morning, children. Today we want to continuity of the whole numbers, children. This is then also new chapter, children. Actually, this is introduction class, children. Previous year we learned a little bit. Now we want to continuity of the whole numbers. So class 6, children. Now we want to discuss about that whole numbers. So children, end of this lesson we want to discuss about that list of numbers, natural numbers. List of numbers, that is natural numbers. Okay children, what is the natural number, children? First we want to discuss about that. What is natural number? In the so 5th standard we learned natural number means what, children? Counting numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Counting numbers we can call them also natural numbers, children. So children, and later we want to discuss about the after natural numbers and then also draw the number line, children. Draw the number. How to draw the number line? How to draw the number line? We want to discuss about that in the end of this chapter, children. Next, after we want to discuss about that properties of, then also perform operations of mathematics, children. Operations of mathematics means what, children? Already know that one. Operations of mathematics. What is that operations of mathematics? Children, now we want to take, children, what is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Addition. This is addition, and subtraction. The symbol of plus is addition. The symbol of minus is subtraction, and the symbol of into. This is the product, children. And division. Correct, children? These are the operations, children. Addition, subtraction. Okay, children. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and then, children, as well as division, children. Division. Correct, children? These are the actual. Correct, children? Want to discuss about that. What is that? Operations of mathematics is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You want to discuss, children. Children, first you want to discuss about that natural numbers. Already over. Next, predecessors and successors. So mainly we want to discuss about that predecessors and then also successors. What is the predecessor, children? First we want to discuss about that. What is the predecessor? Okay, children, predecessors. So now we want to write, children, what is that? So this one also we want to discuss about it. Subtracting one from any numbers. So children, now we want to discuss about what is the predecessors. So children, now we want to take this one. Predecessor is subtract one from given number. You want to take one example, children. What is that? Suppose 49. What is the predecessor of 49, children? You want to subtract 1 means that number will come. What is that? 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. 48 is the predecessor of 49. Correct, children? Suppose now we want to take another one is successor. Predecessor means subtract 1 from the given number. That is the given number is 49. Suppose you want to take next number 798. What is the predecessor of 798, children? You want to subtract 1 is equal to 797. That's all. Children, next you want to go to successor, children. What is that successor? What is the next, children? Successor. Children, very important. Successor means what? We can discuss about the children. Already know that one. The successor, the add one from that given number. Correct, children? Successor means add one from add 1 from given. Suppose you want to take one number, children, 594. What is the successor of 594? Means you want to add one number, children. 1. 594 plus 1 is equal to 595. 595 is the successor. Correct, children? Any doubt here? 595 is the successor of 594. That's all, children. Any doubt here? 594 is the successor of 594. Correct, children? Children, next you want to discuss about the next question. Next, another one you want to take. What is that? 634. Correct, children? What is the successor of 634? Means you want to take 634 plus 1 is equal to 635. Correct, children? This is a number. Any doubt, children? What is the successor of 634? Is 635. So, children, this is over. Next, you want to go to whole numbers, children. Our also chapter. Now, you want to discuss about that whole numbers. Children, how do you know that one natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 100. 0. This we can call them as whole number. This is natural number. Correct, children? Whole number means 0 including with natural number. We can call whole number because 0. Already know that the natural number is counting number. Then also we want to add 0 means that is whole number. Correct, children? So, children, all whole numbers are not natural number. You want to write the properties, children. What is that? All whole numbers. All whole numbers are not natural number. Not natural numbers. But all natural numbers are whole number. There also no largest whole number is there, children. There is no largest whole number. There is no largest whole number. Largest whole number. Children, there is no largest whole number is there. Smallest whole number is 0. But the largest whole number is also we cannot identify. It is going up, also going more, children. Infinite. Children, next you want to discuss about that number line. Whole number means, children, you want to recall it. 0 including with natural numbers. All whole numbers are not natural number because 0 is not a natural number. Correct. All natural numbers have whole numbers. But, children, there is no largest whole number. Correct. All. Then also you can consider there is no largest whole number because it is infinite, it is moving. Children, next you want to discuss about that number line. Representation of the number line. Children, the most important number line. Correct, children? What is the number line? The number line helps to display the whole numbers visually. So, what is that? The number line helps to display the whole number. So, display the whole number. Suppose this is a number line having the answer is a never ending, it is moving. So, children, now you want to take We want to consider positive numbers, whole numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Want to represent the numbers. So construct a number. How we can represent children? Now we want to take construct a number line. This is only want to construct a number. 0 is origin, children. How to construct a number? Construct number line. Children, 0 is horizon. First, part coming. Then also, what is that? 0 is horizon. Correct, children? 0 to right side is moving. Positive number. Correct, children? So, children, that is mine. So now we want to take unit to distance. So, children, unit to distance you want to find. What is the number line? You want to find unit to distance. What is the unit distance? Unit distance. Unit distance. Suppose two consecutive numbers, 7 and 8 in between. Correct, children? On a number line. So here there are also unit distance. There are also two consecutive numbers, 7 and 8 on the number line. The difference of 7 and 8 we can call the distance is unit distance. Correct, children? What is the unit distance? There are also two consecutive numbers, 7 and 8 or 2 and 3, whatever it may be. In between 2 and 3 the distance is there now, that we can call what? Unit distance. Correct, children? Don't forget this one. Okay, children, that is over. So children, now we want to discuss about that example, distance between 7 and 8, whatever it may be. So next, operations on number line. Number line also is operations is there. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever it may be. Shall I lecture this one? So unit distance is over. Now we want to discuss about the operations of number line. See the children? Operations on number line, children. Children, first is addition. Addition is easily utilized for number line. See, children. First one is addition. Suppose you want to take 3 plus 2. Correct, children? How we can represent on the number line is, children, now we want to take number line. This is horizon 0. Correct, children? Now we want to represent. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6, and this is 7, and this is 8, and this is 9. Correct, children? Now we want to represent. It is never end, it is continuous. Children, first 3 plus 2. First 3 units. 0 to right side. So children, now we want to represent 0 to left. Next 1, 2, 3. This number line is moving. Plus 3 and plus 2 is there. Again left 3. You want to count the next two numbers. 3 after 4 and 5. What is that? 3 plus 2. What then also where you start the number line? That is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Children, these number line, then also you want to represent addition of number line, then also you want to moving from right side the digits. First 3 digits, 0 to 3. First 3 digits, 0 to what to left, 0 next, 1, 2, 3, that is plus 3. Again you want to left 3. Next you want to add 2, 4 and 5. That is 3 plus 2 is how much? That is 5, children. Finally the answer is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. You want to represent this. Correct, children? So children, next you want to take subtraction of number line. Addition is over. Next you want to go to subtraction. Correct, children? It is very easy. Now you want to take another subtraction. Subtraction of number line. of addition. Correct, children? Now you want to take one number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct, children? Now you want to take one number. What is that? 11 minus 4. Children, here subtraction is moving from right to left. Addition is moving from left to right. So now you want, what is the constant number? Is the first number is 11. This is 11. So under minus 4. Minus 4 means moving the number is the left side. Children. So left 11. Again you want to count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here minus 4. 11 minus 4 is equal to. So when it is stopping number line, it is only 7 changes. 11 minus 4 is equal to how much? 7. This is the representation of subtraction of number line. Correct, children? You can understand this one. Children, next you want to go to multiplication of number line. Correct, children? What is that? Multiplication or number line. Correct. Now we want to discuss about that multiplication of number lines. Multiplication on number line. Children, this is another properties of number line. Children, now we want to take. Okay, what to take? Number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct, children? Now you want to take. What is that? So 0 to 12 is it. Children, you want to multiplication is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Correct, children? How we can take, children, here? 2 into 5. So first you want to left 0 to 1 and 2. This is 2. Again you want to do left 2. This is 2 and this is 2. And then also this is 2. Correct, children? And again this is 2. And again 2. Correct, children? 2 is multiple by 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Correct, children? So 2 into 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the stopping number line is equal to 10. What is the product of 2 into 5 is equal to how much? 10. That's why you want to represent here. 2 is multiplied by 5 times. The result is 10, children. Children, next you want to discuss about the properties of whole numbers, children. So next you want to discuss about the properties of whole number. Shall I write, children, this one? Okay, children. Next you want to take properties of whole numbers. Correct, children? First property is closure property, children. Okay, children, now we want to discuss about that. So closure property of addition. Closure property of addition, children. What is that, children? Closure property of addition. So children, and adding two whole numbers, the sum is still a whole number. Correct? Suppose you want to take 5 plus 7. Correct, children? We want to add in, then adding any two whole numbers. This is 5 is a whole almost 1. That we can call closure property of addition. Suppose children closure property of multiplication means now you want to take what is that? Closure property of multiplication means closure property of multiplication means same children. Now you want to take how you can discuss about that children. 5 is a whole number, right? Has this want to take 7 is the whole number. Here only symbol only changes. Addition of closure property is plus, multiplication of closure property is into. So you want to multiply up two numbers. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. You want to multiply two whole numbers. They getting the result also. What is that whole number, children? Children, you can understand this one. So how much, children? Okay, children. You want to discuss about that 1 minute. Okay, children. Now this session will complete it, children. Next, you want to continue the next session. Thank you, children. Tomorrow we'll meet, children.